G'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this first episode of Investment Look Back, we are having a look at the old fishing store. Let's talk about it. Rightio, so this is a new video series I'm going to start. These are some sets that I invested in years and years and years ago. They have obviously already retired, and I just thought it'd be interesting to take a look back, see how much they're currently worth, how much I paid for them, and go over what the ROI was on all these different sets over the past few years, just to see kind of what has performed well, what has performed bad, and what has performed better than other themes and other sets. So the first episode is going to be the old fishing store. Now, if you're not sure what the set looks like, this is it here. It's set number 21310, and it has 2,049 pieces. Now, obviously, it's got up here retired product because this set did retire in 2018, but we're going to take a look at that now. So, in Australia, this set did retail for $250. As you can see onto Brickset here, it was released in September of 2017, and it retired at the end of December of 2018. So, it had a pretty short shelf life, so just over 12 months. So, that is a target shelf life that is really, really good for us investors. So we can see that it had only just over 12 months of a shelf life, and as I said, it did retail here for $250 Australian. Now, I bought this in about probably November of 2018, so only about a month, 2 months before it retired, and I managed to pick it up for $200. So I got it for 20% off its original retail price. So I got it for a good pickup. I only managed to get one, unfortunately. I wish I had got more, but you live and learn. So that's when the set come out. That's how long it was out for. And if we jump on over to Bricklink and we'll have a look, as we can see, this set also had 4 minifigures. But what we're going to take out a look at the moment is the last 6 month sales just on Bricklink alone. We'll get to eBay shortly. But we can see that over the last 6 months, it has an average sell price of about $555. So if we had have bought this set, just say at $250 at retail, it is already a little bit more than doubled in value since time of retirement. And currently we can look at current items for sale. We can see the average price is $686. That doesn't mean that's what the set is worth. That's just the average price of all the sets that are listed on Bricklink at this time. But we'll roughly go off of that. It's currently worth about $555. Now, another thing I want to take a look at is actually the minifigs in this set, because what we do is when we're looking at a set to invest in, how it will go long term, obviously we've got shelf life, we've got the relevance of the set, the collectability of the set. Another thing is to look at the minifigures, and if there's any exclusive minifigures or any standout figs that may be collectible down the track. So if we go onto Bricklink and we go to the 4 minifigs, we can see that there's 4 here. We've got the boy with the white cap, and if you click the little item number here, it'll actually bring up the details. It'll tell you how much the figure is worth and how many sets that figure appears in. And as we can see, this one only appears in one set, and if we were to click that one set, we can see that it's got the old fishing store listed here. That means that this figure is an exclusive fig to the old fishing store set. And we can see that last 6 months sales average is about $3.26. So you can say anywhere between $3 and $4 is how much value that this figure is worth. So that's the first fig. The next one is the fisherman, which is quite surprising actually. You can see here's another one that is only exclusive to this set, but he sells for an average of about $57. When I was researching this before I did the video, I was quite shocked at how valuable that this figure is. But you can see that $57, and in April 2022 one actually sold for $94, and back here one sold for $76. So it is pretty crazy. And then you can have a look at the current items for sale, which is the average of $122. So 57 would be the lowball number. Actually, seems to be worth a lot more than that. But that's that figure. The other fig in the set is the captain. He's another exclusive fig, and he sells for an average of around $8 to $9. We'll go back, and the last figure in this set is the fisherwoman. She is also exclusive, and she sells for about $6 to $7 here in Australia as well. So we can see that all 4 minifigs are all exclusive, which is a big thumbs up for this set and why it has done well investment-wise as well, because of the figures, along with the shelf life and the fact that it's kind of a one-of-a-kind set as well. Like we don't have any sets that look like this in the ideas theme, let alone any theme at the moment as well. So that's why another reason why this set has gone up in value, because it is a very good looking set. This is actually my favorite set of all time as of recording this video. I absolutely love this set. So that's how much the figs are worth. That's how much the set is currently selling for on Bricklink. And now if we go over to eBay, we can see, I will change this up here to Australia only because that's where I'm looking at the moment. And we can see that we've got one listed here. That's pre-owned. We won't worry about that one. One here for $6.98, one here for $8.99, $7.50, $7.20, $7.50, $7.50. So they're kind of about listing averaging for about $7.50 at the moment. But that's not what we want to look at. We want to look at the sold items and see how much they're selling for on eBay. Again, I'll filter it to Australia only, and I'm just going to filter this to lowest first, because that's what I'm curious to see what the lowest one is. We can see one sold here for $5.75 plus 35 postage. One sold here for $6.89. One sold for $6.50, for $6.50, for $6.80, and one actually did sell for $900. So let's go kind of an average of that $6.50 price. Now you got to remember that on eBay, you don't just pocket that $6.50. eBay take about 14 to 15%. So if we were to jump up the calculator here, bring this over so you guys can see as well, and if we were to do $6.50 times 15%, that brings us about a $97.50 total. And if we do $6.50 subtract $97.50, that brings us to about $552.50. And if we correlate that with the Bricklink price, it's pretty much spot on. So usually you'll find that Bricklink sales are lower than eBay, but that's pretty much because of eBay will be higher because of the eBay fees. And probably about 8 out of 10 times, after you take out the eBay fees for what the set is worth on eBay, it will be very similar to what the Bricklink price is. So we've got, this set was out for a little bit over 12 months, got 4 exclusive minifigs, part of the Ideas range, beautiful looking set, and it is currently worth around $555. Now the last thing I want to take a look at is just the ROI calculator here, which is the return on investment calculator. So if we were to chuck in, so I paid $200 for this set, it is currently worth, we'll say $555. I purchased this in November, we'll just say November 1st of 2018, and it retired December 31st of, until today's date, sorry. So today's date, we'll just go June, what is it today? It's the 9th of 2022. Calculate, and as you can see, I'll zoom in a bit more here as well. There we go. So you can see that investment gain. So I've profited, if I was to sell this set, a profit of $355, which is a 177.5 return on investment, which is an average of about 32% appreciation in growth per year, and that's over 3.6 years. So that was an investment look back on the old fishing store. If you guys did like this video and this type of video, please smash the like button and let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try and get one of these out, maybe one every 2 days or so, and look back on every set that I've invested in, which is quite a lot, and we'll compare the different themes, all the different sets, big sets, little sets, and we'll kind of see, have a look at what sets tend to do better, big, little, what themes, and all that type of stuff. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.